Improv is a training facility. We organize workshops. We also organize individualized trainings, and we do shows as well. The ticketing and reservation problems that we had were usually from the gathering of data and the marketing as well. So
before Ticket to Me, we would require our students and ticket buyers to send an email of their intent to register or buy a ticket, and then we would give them our bank details. After that, we have to validate that information through our bank. So it's a lot of steps.
Ticket to Me helped Third World Improv in getting the word out for our events, helping us sell tickets and workshops. What we found really helpful is the payment facility and also the consolidated database that Ticket to Me offers.
I would definitely recommend all show producers, show buyers, and workshop providers to get the services of Ticket to Me.
To go online, this is where the people are, and it's also the easiest way to get your word out about your events.
And it's just definitely easier and more convenient. Check out Third World Improv workshops and events through tickettome.net and the Ticket to Me app on iOS and Android.
So you too can take it easy.